Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and another video. I tried doing this video twice already, but the first time my eyebrows ended up looking weird and I didn't notice until I started to edit the video. And then the second time around the audio was really bad, and that's how I figured I'll do a voiceover. In this video, you'll see my everyday makeup routine that I wear to work, meetings, or just to brighten up my day. It's nothing special and it only takes me 15 minutes or less. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I always start as well as finish the day off with some moisturizer. If I do my makeup in the middle of the day, for example right before a meeting, I tend to hydrate my skin with both lotion and face mist. Right now I am using the Seaweed Oil Control Gel Cream from the Body Shop. Some of my favorite face mists are these ones from Bath & Body Works, Pixie and Luminate. I'll link them down below. After that, I'll do my brows, and the product that I am using is the Perfect Brow Pencil from Anastasia in Top. As you probably can tell, I've already started to line my brows, but for this tutorial I fill them in some more. I don't always use concealer because I want my skin to be able to breathe, but when I do, I prep my skin by using a nourishing primer oil from H&M before I put on the concealer. I like to put a drop of oil on each cheek as well as the forehead and the chin before massaging it in. To set my brows, I use a clear brow gel from Kiko and brush the hairs in an upward direction. As you can see, I have acne and acne scars, and as I've told you, I prefer my skin to be as product free as possible. But sometimes I do want to cover them up, and to do so I use the best concealer I've ever had. It's from Kiko in shade 02, and although it doesn't cover everything, with its belonging foundation, it works wonders. I put the concealer on the redness in my scars and the pimples to cover it up as much as possible, without it looking cakey. Sometimes I even put concealer under my eyes to make it look brighter and like I've gotten enough sleep, which to be honest I haven't gotten since I was like a baby. To blend it into my skin, I use a tiny beauty blender from H&M that fits perfectly in my everyday makeup bag. To be able to make as many coats of mascara as possible within the routine, I curl my lashes and do one coat of mascara before I put on the eyeshadow. Throughout the rest of the routine, I pause to make one coat in between. The mascara I'm using is from Kiko. I love this mascara since it makes my lashes look quite natural, and also it's buildable, which enables me to decide what level of volume I want. For eyeshadow, I usually blend a couple of shades from the NYX Ultimate Edit palette into a basic brownish shade. I really like mixing the colors in this palette simply because the shade is different from day to day, and although it looks similar, it's not. If I fail to mix it up, I either apply just a cream shadow or mix the two with powder in the crease and cream on the lid. I have two cream shadows in my makeup bag. First one is pink cream with some hints of brown and green and really gives me a copper feel. The second one is Silver Chrome from Isadora, which I rarely use unless I'm really feeling Disney's Frozen and put a blue in the crease. In this tutorial, I use them all for you to see how they apply. After applying another coat of mascara, I use some lip balm from Kiko and sometimes even a pinkish NYX lingerie gloss. This one is Euro Trash. And last but not least, my favorite highlighter stick from Lush. Since Lush is, as far as I know, plastic free, the stick broke off quite fast, so I just keep it in the box and rub my finger on it to get some of the product. I apply the highlighter on my cupid's bow, tip and bridge of the nose, in the corner of my eyes, the brow bone and the cheekbones. To blend it in to the skin and make it look less streaky, I use the tip of my fingers and dab lightly on my skin. I put my hair up in my regular hairdo, and that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.